Hi, you're watching Das Overa. This is Amarpal Singh. Before you, today is the historic day for Punjab, especially for Ludhiana. As you can see, the Halwara airport over here has become operational. So after years of anticipation, delays and countless discussions, the much awaited commercial flight operations from Halwara airport are finally taking off today. The first Air India commercial flight from Delhi has landed over here at Halwara Airport. So this Air India A320 aircraft carrying nearly 160 passengers, including Union Minister of State Ravneet Singh Bittu, Rajya Sabha MPs who have recently shifted into the Bharatiya Janata Party, Rajendra Gupta, Vikramjit Singh Sani, Punjab BJP spokesperson Pratpal Singh Baliewal, and several other local BJP leaders, including Ludhiana District President Rajneesh Timan. They were traveling in this first flight from Delhi to Ludhiana. So this is not just the launch of a flight service, it is a culmination of a project that remained stuck for nearly 3 decades. The civil terminal here at Halwara Airport, developed through the expansion of the Indian Air Force Base, witnessed years of administrative hurdles, delayed approvals, and repeated construction setbacks. So, although the Punjab cabinet formally approved the project back in December 2018, operational clearance and infrastructure development continued to face delays over the last several years. But today, the wait is over. The political significance is also attached to today's launch. Former Aam Aadmi Party Rajya Sabha MP and later Punjab Cabinet Minister Sanjeev Arora has often been credited with pushing the project forward. During his tenure, he coordinated with the aviation authorities, ministries and airline operators to expedite the approvals needed for the airport to become operational. So interestingly, though the celebration within the ruling Aam Aadmi Party appear relatively subdued due to today, because Sanjeev Arora, who had reportedly booked tickets on this inaugural flight along with his wife, is currently in the custody of Enforcement Directorate in an alleged money laundering case. So on the other hand, the BJP appears ready to turn this inaugural journey into a major political event ahead of 2027 Punjab Assembly elections. So today, several BJP leaders, including Union Minister of State Ravneet Singh Bittu, BJP MPs Vikramjit Singh Sani, Rajendra Gupta, they were traveling at this inaugural flight along with the local BJP leaders over here. So today was the inaugural day of the operations over here at the Halwara Airport. So Air India will initially operate 2 daily returns flights between Delhi and Halwara. The first morning flight departs from Delhi at 5:55 a.m. and arrives at Halwara at 7:05 a.m. The return flight then leaves Halwara at 7:55 a.m. and reaches Delhi at 9:10 a.m. The second service departs Delhi at 12:55 p.m. and lands at Halwara at 2:10 p.m. while the final return flight leaves Halwara at 2:40 p.m. and reaches Delhi at 3:55 p.m. So for Ludhiana and the surrounding industrial belt, this airport is expected to significantly improve connectivity, boost business travel and provide easier access for residents who earlier had to depend on Chandigarh or Amritsar airport for commercial flights. So a landmark day indeed for Punjab aviation history. The runway is finally active. The first flight has landed over here at Halwara Airport, and the new chapter of air connectivity for Punjab has begun. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to Das Overa for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.